Centre finally sets the ball rolling in the Justice Verma case on July 24. Home Minister Amit Shah held high-level meetings on the impeachment row. He met both Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh Narayan Singh. Both Om Birla and Harivansh Narayan Singh met to discuss the proceedings earlier. This development comes just days after Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resigned on Monday. Reports indicated Dhankar's nod to the motion by the opposition in the case against the government's plan to lead the offensive as the possible reason behind his sudden exit from the office. 145 Lok Sabha MPs and 63 Rajya Sabha MPs submitted impeachment notices against the judge on July 21. They include ministers from both the ruling and opposition parties. This motion is said to have become an order following Dhankar's acknowledgement as per a senior Rajya Sabha member. Om Birla initiated the process to set up a 3-member statutory committee. The committee will comprise a senior Supreme Court judge, the Chief Justice of a High Court, and a distinguished jurist. The committee is required to submit its inquiry report within 3 months. If the committee finds him guilty, its report will be tabled for discussion and voted on the impeachment motion in both houses of the parliament. Meanwhile, Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai recused himself from hearing Justice Yashwant Verma's petition on Wednesday. The petition was filed by the judge himself on July 17 against his indictment by an SC-appointed in-house committee earlier in May. The CJI has said he could not take up the case given his involvement in the internal discussions concerning the judge's transfer to the Allahabad High Court. A new bench will be constituted to hear the matter as Justice Verma alleged violations in the conduct of the inquiry. The then Delhi High Court Judge Justice Verma has been in the news since March 14 after cash discovery at his official residence in the outhouse. He was transferred to the Allahabad High Court as the SC committee launched a probe. The in-house committee established his family's control over the outhouse with strong evidence.